Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Miss Anna Trends, and today's update is about what is happening in the world about Ebola situation. So in Canada, the government has suspended immigrations from three countries in Africa, three African countries. And this is a big blow to those three countries. So if you are from these three countries, you will not be able to travel to Canada. So for 90 days, all the immigrations from these countries has been banned. And if you have traveled from these countries to Canada in the past 21 days, that is as at May 27th, you are supposed to quarantine for 21 days. Upon arrival from these countries, you are supposed to quarantine for 21 days. So all the temporary resident visas, the ETAs, and permanent resident visas are all suspended for the people from these three countries. And the Canadian government or the Public Health Agency of Canada has taken these precautions, especially because of the upcoming FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup, and this is to prevent importing Ebola into Canada. That is what the agency is saying. And so, the yeah, now these countries are Uganda, DRC Congo, and South Sudan. DRC Congo is the most hit country as it has confirmed fatal cases of 321 fatal cases and 116 suspected cases. That is as at June 3rd. As June 3rd, those are the cases that has been suspected. In Uganda, around 15 people are said to be dead and some are still in hospitals. So this is a case where every country is trying to prevent this disease from entering their borders. Remember, this disease do not have vaccine and do not have cure. But I think it can be controlled and some people are able to recover from it. And now the precautions are also because of the World Cup fever, especially when you look at the bonanza that will be taking place on 17th June. The DRC Congo is supposed to have an opening match in its Group K with Portugal. And so there must be precautions that are taken so that the Ebola is not imported into Canada. Other countries hosting the FIFA World Cup are USA and Mexico. USA is also taking precautions and it has even more strict immigration rules. It has also banned travels from the three countries. So even those people who are US citizens are not supposed to travel to US. As you know, there has been uproars in Kenya because the US government and the Kenyan government had agreed on a quarantine facility to be built in our country, that is at Laikipia County, around the northern part of the country. And so this is facing a lot of rejections by Kenyans because Kenyans are claiming that these two governments don't care about the Kenyan citizen, as if those US Americans who have come into contact with Ebola patients brought to our country, they may as well import Ebola to us, as those people who will be taking care of those people or the US Ebola patients are from Kenya, not from America. And also the facilities is supposed to be in Kenya. So the court stopped the erecting of these facilities, and the matter is yet to be resolved. So there have been a lot of uproar, a lot of demonstrations in the county, Laikipia County, and also in other areas in Kenya. People are having different views. However, there was a confirmed case of a Turkish man who traveled all the way from DRC into Kenya and into the heart of Kenya, that is central Kenya, Kiambu County, and he collapsed, and it was confirmed he has symptoms. Ebola system. Allegedly, he has the Ebola symptoms. So in Canada, when you arrive, you quarantine. for 21 days, especially if you are from the three African countries, that is DRC, Congo, Uganda, and South Sudan. If a patient shows symptoms, also will be held in the hospital for 21 days. So the ban of immigration in Canada is happening for 90 days, which maybe after the 90 days, it is going to be reviewed. So thank you so much. Please, if you have enjoyed my update, click the like button. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed, so that I can be encouraged to do more videos. Thank you so much for those who keep on watching my videos. The new subscribers, thank you so much, and God bless you. Until we see each other in the next one.